4, list the conjugate bases for the following. Okay, so previously we did list the conjugate acids. We added an H proton, a hydrogen proton. Here we're just doing the opposite. We're going to remove an H and then give what's left. And this time we'll just knock the charge down 1. So instead of adding +1 to the overall charge in the previous question, we're going to lower that charge by 1. All right, so because we're giving away, we're removing a hydrogen +1 charge. Okay, so HBr, that will leave us, if we remove that one single solitary hydrogen, we have a Br minus. We already have an H, one single H attached to a sulfide ion here in the second example. And so if we take that H away, we would actually have S2 minus for the charge. H2O. All right, there's our good old water here. It's amphoteric. You can actually add a hydrogen to become H3O, or we can remove a hydrogen in this case and have OH minus. There's our hydroxide anion. So I hope you found this helpful. Again, you just remove the H and then knock down the charge by 1. If it's neutral, it becomes -1. If it's a -1, the resulting species becomes a -2 charge, and so on. If we started off with something that was -2 and remove a hydrogen, we'll go down to -3. All right, thanks for watching.